Do you want to earn Solana without spending a dime? Today, I'm showing you Wurk.Fun, the easiest way to get paid for micro tasks. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. First, open your Phantom wallet. Let's click on Phantom right here. And then head to Wurk.Fun, WURK.Fun. Then click go. So once you're here, the next step is to connect wallet. Let's click Phantom. Let's confirm. So once your wallet is connected, you head to your profile. Click profile. Let's click it right here. So post your verification code. So post this unique verification code on your X profile to verify your account ownership. Okay, so you just copy this and then head to your profile on X. So you just click on it right here, click on edit profile and paste. Just click paste. So let's save. So once you've done that, you copy the link to profile, then you head back, then you paste it right here, then you click verify now. Could not part state ID. This could be an error, as you can see that I've correctly pasted everything, so it's probably a network glitch. Okay guys, so once you're done, you head back to home, so you could see various feeds. Let's click jobs. Let's click profile again. So once you've done that, once you've pasted your link, you then click on connect X and connect your X account. You then scroll downwards and you could see quick links. You could see job monitor, communities. Under job monitor, it shows you every task you've submitted and its current status, whether it's pending, approved, or paid. And then communities, are specialized groups for different crypto projects. When you join a community, you get access to exclusive tasks that aren't visible to anyone else, and the blogs are for education hub, where the platform posts updates, guides on how to use new features and tips. And then for the available jobs, the high paying jobs are first come first serve. Okay, so refresh this page often to grab the best solo rewards before they are gone. Okay guys, so don't forget to fully explore all these features. And that's it on how to earn on Wurk.Fun. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.